My composting methodology begins here in my farmhouse sink in my kitchen. I just use a small container to collect kitchen scraps here, and then I can just bring them outside into a pan when that little container gets full. And it's just outside my kitchen here, so I'll store it until there's a little bit more in there and I get ready to walk it up to the compost pile. We have a bag on our lawnmower that we can collect the lawn clippings, so that all goes up and into the compost pile too. As you can see, it's back up here in the woods a little ways. When we first moved into our home, Kurt had dug a hole back in the woods for a compost pile, and we used that for a while until we did some re-landscaping. And this particular location, however, there was just a deep hole in the ground already, so we have used that as our compost pile. And as you can see, I just dump everything right on top of the pile. We don't really stir it or anything. We just dump it all there. I do that all season and throughout the winter. And then when spring comes, I actually dig down underneath it, moving everything aside, and you get the most wonderful black compost where it is decomposed, even without taking a lot of effort to make it do so. So you can see the pot that I used to accumulate a couple days worth of kitchen scraps, and we have a nice little hose up here on the deck where I can use this to just rinse out the pot. And then, keeping everything super easy, I just dump the water over the side of the railing here. That simple. And that is my method of composting. So I always, of course, wash hands really good when I come back inside, making sure to get under the fingernails and just getting a really good hand washing. But really, that's pretty much all I do for my composting. I just keep it super simple, not a lot of effort, and it works fantastic. Now, since you've stuck around with me here to the end, I'll share with you the one downside to my method of composting. And that is occasionally we have a little visitor who likes this method too.